Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So as I mentioned earlier in the previous video that I have received some of the packages, many of the cars I have received, and I'm going to open them one by one. I've opened a few so far. You probably have watched my videos if you have subscribed my channel. If not, then you should, because I'm bringing cool videos every damn week. This is the car. We are going to do the unboxing today. I've got two of these. I'm going to keep this for a trade. I'll trade it with something else or I'll keep it with me. But today I'm going to do the unboxing for this. But before I do the unboxing for this car, let me show you what so far we have got from these cars out of the 4 Porsches. So the first one was this 911 GT3 with number 80 on it. It's a Roxy, right? It's a cool Roxy. The next we got was this Porsche. It was another 911 GT3 with number 80 on it, but it's a Roxy. And these are from IMSA. The third one was this from Mini GT number 77. And now we have this. It completes these cars, and we all know that there is one more coming within a month or two. The one with the skeleton details over it. I have PO'd it already. I've PO'd a blister of it. So they are going to be 5, and I hope I get over them because they're really cool to have. Look at this car, man. This is so damn good. The base is the same like the others. It's a plain base, no threads, aerodynamic details. On the side we have all these details of the dinosaur hand and feet. The number 77. This one has red meter, just like that one, and this one was having green. We have Michelin logo over here. Look at that back. This is so cool. I really love the exhaust detail on it. Exhaust details looks so well. We have number 77 here, AO here, AO Racing, and on the front, of course, we have the dinosaur mouth. Oh my god, it's going to eat us. We have nose details here. The headlights look cool. The number 77 on the front, the Porsche on the windshield. The tail details over here. The spoiler looks cool with AO on it. Man, this is just awesome. And yes, it does look cool and rolls very smooth. Wow. You know why it rolls smooth? Because it is from IMSA. Do let me know out of these 4 which one you have. There's a spot left. One is coming soon. See you in the next one.